G'day guys, my name is Mick. Just wanted to take you for a bit of a walk around my garden and show you what I'm doing. Let's have a look, just a quick look. Okay, at the moment you have to excuse the footage because it's a camera and the sun's out. But I'm doing some veggie gardens, some raised veggie gardens. I've got 8 of them in. It's a little bit of a battle here at the moment because there's not a lot of dirt. We get about 300 mil of rain a year. So getting enough dirt to fill them is a bit of an issue. So what I'm doing is, let me take you over here, is I'm digging a sump in the bottom, using the dirt from that sump to top the last bit I did. And then I'm putting cardboard boxes in the bottom, and I've got some old compost that, well, I shouldn't call it compost because it didn't, and that's going to go in on top of the cardboard boxes. Then I'll hose all that, dampen it all down. Then I've got some bigger stuff to go on. Just follow me over here. I've got some bigger prunings. These come off an apricot tree last year. I'll cut them down into shorter pieces and put them in the bottom. And then on top of that, I put a bit more of my quote unquote compost. And then I've got some leaf trimmings out the front, or some tree trimmings. That I'm putting in under here. I'll put them on top, give it all a good water, try and get the water down into it, and then on top of that I'll probably put some mushroom compost and a bit of decent soil I can plant seedlings net into. That's the plan. I've got 8 of them and I'm on number 3 at the moment. I've just dug the hole in number 3. I've got to tell you, the dirt here is like concrete. It is really hard. When you get 300 mil of rain a year, the dirt doesn't dig very easy. Hence, I don't know if you can see from here, but somewhere there I've got a crowbar, I've got a mattock, and that's what the dirt's like. Just to give you an idea where I am, the 3 bins in the far distance there, that's my compost bins, behind the water tanky looking thing. And then I've got some fruit trees. I've got cherry, peach, orange, lemon in the corner. Then the nectarine next to it, a mandarin next to that, the big scruffy looking one there's an apricot, and I've got 2 apples. Now before you tell me I've planted them all too close, I know they're too close, but they were here when I bought the place, so I'm not gonna pull them out. Now if I back up a little bit without going ass over tit, this railing here, I've got 2 strands of wire. Like, well, there's 4 strands, but 4 layers of wire, but it goes around the post. So, and that's where I'm going to. They're looking a bit sad at the moment. I'm going to put raspberries in there, so that'll be my raspberry bed. So that's my sort of veggie part of the garden. Now, just to give you an idea where I am, I'm down just below the goiter line in South Australia. As I say, 300 mil of rain a year, and the ground is seriously as hard as a rock. This is a summer grass on my back lawn. Give you an idea, we're in April now. You can see how dry it is. It's a little bit green further on because I've had the sprinkler going over there, but this stuff's supposed to stay green over the summer. Anyway, that's my little video for today. Hope you enjoyed that, and hopefully we'll try and get a few more out. See ya.